Okay, the video was interrupted. Now I'll again start. Here you can see the output coordinate system. So we will to project it to UTM zones, okay, which is known as by scrolling down UTM Universal Transverse Marquetry, okay. And here you can see WGS 1984, and from here you can see this is Northern Hemisphere and Southern Hemisphere. Now you must know about your location, that either it's located in the northern hemisphere or southern hemisphere. As Pakistan, it's located in the northern hemisphere, so I will click on this northern hemisphere. But you can see here again, there are different UTM zones, for example, 20, 21, 22. Now, which one you should select? Now, for example, I select it here. You can see the 42. Okay, I will select the UTM zone 42, and its world geographic coordinate system is 1984. Okay, so here you can see it appears. But how should you know about the UTM zone? It's very simple. You can Google it. Okay, so first of all, I should do this step. Then I will go show you how you can select the UTM zone 42 or 41 or anyone else, northern hemisphere or southern hemisphere. Okay, so I will click on this OK button. Now you can see here that output folder is demo and its name is 3472. Okay, now it's here it's processing. You should wait for it until its results appear. So you can see it's the toolbox check is appear with it. Okay, so it means that it is successfully completed, and you can see here I have unchecked this, and you can see here this is and the new one. Okay, and I will check its properties now. Its properties are, you can see now, its properties, it's a UTM zone, it's included. Okay, now I will show you that how to select the UTM zones. Okay, here you can put the UTM zone maps. UTM means Universal Transverse Marquetry. This is the projection system. Okay, for example, if we click on this map image, click on this. Here you can see if we click on this image to zoom out. Now you can see it starts from the you can see here 27 starts from 1 2 3 4 and up to 60. Okay, 60-degree east. So with this we have the different UTM zones. Okay, now if I move to Pakistan here. So I know about my location, and it's Pakistan. And now you can see some part of Pakistan lies in the 41, some part lies in the 42, and some part lies in the 43. Okay, but I know that my watershed lies in the zone 42. Okay, so far, so that's why I have selected my UTM zone as 42. Okay, you can see here the UTM zone. Here you can see it's 42 north. Okay, so you can select also your UTM zone. Now what I will do, I have to also convert the second digital elevation model to the to projected coordinate system. Okay. So for this purpose, what I will need to do to open a new one. Okay, a new ArcMap document. I will now select no here. If you are used too much to GIS or well known about its practicing, then you do not need to open a new document. Okay, you can proceed with having already these digital elevation models, because then some problems arise which are very headache, and I am doing this to avoid this headache or these problems. Okay, now again I will add data, will repeat that step. Now you can see here, this was the 3472, the downloaded one, and now this is the projected one. Okay, now I will also project this digital elevation model which is 3473. Okay, I will add it here. Yes, and now I will do the same steps again. Here click out the arc toolbox, projections and transformations. Okay, in data management tool, here you can see this is data management tool. Here you can see this is projections and transformations, and in projections and transformations I have raster, so click on raster. Okay, and project raster. Do the same thing for that one. Okay, I will also change its output location. This is output raster data set. Output raster data set. It's all now already selected from the previous step. Okay. And now I will change its name to 3473. Okay. Save, and its output coordinate system will be again the projected coordinate system. Scroll down UTM WJS 1984 Northern Hemisphere. Okay, and zone is 42, UTM zone 42. Okay, and then select OK. It will again process here. Okay, it's completed. Its projections completed. Now we will mosaic these two. Now I will, for example, I will again open the new document. Okay, blank document. Okay, save changes to untitled. No. I will mosaic these two digital elevation models, the projected ones. Okay. Add. Now here you can see 3472 and 3473. These are the two digital elevation models. I have selected the both one. Okay. So I will add, for example, here you can see I have selected the both, and I will add both. Now you can see it's a little bit different from the initial ones. Okay, now because this is the projected one. Okay, and if you want to know how what is mean by projections, then you can see in the channel a new video about this. Okay, so now I will mosaic these to one digital elevation model. Mosaic means to combine or merge these two dams without changing its characteristics. Okay, so here you can see arc toolbox. I will go to the arc toolbox and data management tools again, and now I will click on the raster, and you can see here the raster processing. Okay, raster processing or raster dataset. Okay, raster dataset. Okay, and click on double click on mosaic to new raster. Now I will add these two digital elevation models, one 3472 and 3473, and our output location will be the same, the demo, but okay, click on this folder. Okay, select and click on this folder. The folder name will appear here. Only add that folder here. Okay, and now I will give it name here. Now, for example, this is demo purpose, and I will give it here a name to this digital mosaic digital elevation model. A name for